Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily block any contact in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. So, let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp app on your device. And then at the bottom, go to the Chats section. Next, select the person you would like to block in WhatsApp. And there are two ways in which you can do this. The first is to go to correspondence with the person. Next, at the top, click on their name. Scroll down. And here, select the option Block Contact. And the second way, you can do it from the chat line itself. To do this, click and hold on the person's name. And thus, you will see a small menu at the bottom. From it, select Block Contact. Next, confirm your action. And thus, your contact will be immediately blocked. Friends, this is the simple way you can block a contact in WhatsApp. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, also write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.